Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Pinterest. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Pinterest app on a device and log in. On the home page, tap your profile icon at the bottom right. You will be taken to your profile page, so tap the three dots at the top right corner. And from the pop-up menu, tap Settings. Here, under Personal Information, tap Account Settings. And select App Theme. On the pop-up menu, you will be able to see three options: System Default, Light, and Dark. So, to turn on dark mode for Pinterest, tap Dark. You can also select System Default if your device is on dark mode. And that's how you turn on dark mode on Pinterest. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.